Hey everybody, this is Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. Got a package in the mail today. Let's see what we have. We have one curious cat. We have here we have a couple items here. Oh, there's a little Velcro American flag. There's a Molle pouch, small, and let me see what we got inside. We got some little got a little divider pouch inside, zipper on the outside. There's for your little USA flag. Got straps here, and we got a lot of Molle connections on the back, or loops I should say. Got some on the front. Got a loop to hook it on to something with. Looks pretty solid. Here's a medium-sized pouch. Looks to be pretty roomy. You can see that with my finger next to my hand. And we have here a divider pouch, same as the other. Also, I noticed there's drain holes. Very important. Does this one have it? This one does not have the drain hole, but this one has a drain hole in the bottom. So if you fill up with water during some river fording, yeah, it'll drain out. A whole bunch of Molle loops here, 3, 6, 9, 12 on the front. Zipper seems to be very rugged, easy to use, nice grip, very solid here. Big straps on the back, and we got another 3, 6, 9 loops here, or no, sorry, 2, 4, 6 loops here in the back. Big old straps to support it, and I'm guessing no, it's just extra durable and reinforced. That's double layer, heavy duty with snaps. 2 loops on this one to hang it to something. And the name is Funanasun. Funanasun. Not sure how do you say that exactly. But I will put the links down below in the video description. Where you can go ahead and get these yourself. And here we have a, let me see, it's a big size. Let me get this box out of my way. Very nice sized laptop type bag. Tactical EDC / laptop bag, I think. Wow, look at how wide that is. I got a good camera angle? Yeah, look at how wide it is. Retainer strap on the top, very good. Extra bonus. Interesting. 2 pull zippers and a Velcro strap to open up the main compartment. Wow, this is loaded. So here we have a main chamber. Okay. Here we have a pouch, a sleeve. Does this pull out, I wonder? Velcro. I'm guessing it might pull out. Let me see. Is that sewn in or is that, yeah, it's Velcroed in. So there's a sleeve. It's extra thick and padded inside. So that must be like a tablet sleeve. Okay, I'll set that aside. And here we have a shoulder strap. Oh, it's partly connected to the outside. Convenient. There's a shoulder strap, padded, nice and thick. Looks to be really rugged, durable clamps. That's one of the things that often fails on your cheaper gear is the the clamps. So there's a pretty heavy duty rugged looking clamp. We'll see how this holds up under real world use, because I'm going to be hunting season's coming up and I can run around with this in the field. Let's stick with the inside and we'll get back to the outside. So that's the retainer for the inner pouch. And it looks like, except for a whole lot of room in here, that's about it. I can fit my hand flat on side there. That is pretty roomy in the main pouch. So it's just flattened from shipping. Alright, I'll put that back in there. Yeah, that'll have to be straightened up with time. And then a Velcro. So it's got, does it have Velcro? Yes, it does. It's got a Velcro tab to close it, as well as the zippers. Definitely got to be used a bit to get that all straightened up. So you got your dual zippers and a Velcro tab to close it up. And then, extra secure, you got that strap, which is adjustable. Keep that bag from ever coming open on you. That's a real extra bonus. Now we got here in the back, we have another Velcro closed pouch to carry some gear, maybe some paper or something. On the front we've got a lot, but I've got another zippered pouch here. I'm liking this. I love a lot of compartments. I like compartmentalizing my gear. I really do. Okay, now we have another clamp to hold in your gear inside here. So here we have another pouch for smaller things like paper, and two more dividers inside, two more pouches there. And then, pretty cool, the strap here to hold in whatever gear you put in that pouch. That's pretty cool. And then that's adjustable as well. That's pretty cool. As far as the laptop bag, this is the most, has the most features of any I've ever had or seen. Now here we've got a larger outside pouch. Not bad actually. I can get full finger and almost a half down on the bottom of that. Okay, and then we have another little Velcro closed pouch, which expands a little bit. And here we got another expandable little pouch with Velcro closure. And now we got another really cool extra snap clip-on closure plus Velcro. Pretty decent sized pouch there. Look at that. I can really get my hand in there, nice and roomy. And to ensure it doesn't come open on the go, I like that. I like that a lot. That's really, really good. So you put your more valuable things in those. That is really cool. And then I would just jam my, oh, there's more. I thought that was it. There's more. What do we got here on the side? There's another Velcro closed pouch, and there's another hook. Oh, that's where, let me see. That's where your shoulder strap goes. That holds your shoulder strap. That's a heavy duty little hook right there. There's another Velcro chamber. Not sure what you would jam in there, but it goes all the way down. And you've got a, oh, look here, you've got connections to clamp things onto all over the place on this, and a bunch of Molle loops on this. So I'm going to go back to the other side now. Take this off. That's a rugged clamp. That's not coming undone on you on its own. So we open this up, and there's the other hook for your shoulder strap. Yeah, it'll be nice once this gets flexible from use. Clamp that on there, and that's rugged. Very good. and another long chamber that goes all the way down to the bottom here, inside here. So this can hold a whole lot of gear. That takes 3 fingers all the way to the bottom. And then you got 3, 6, 9, 12 more Molle loops. And then you got some more clamps where I would put my solar panel, probably, my folding solar panel. And then, to secure it all up even better, once you're all done, your handles have a velcro enclosure. That's a very rugged, very rugged laptop bag. I am quite impressed. There's a velcro, bit of velcro on here for hanging something on. All the Molle on this one is on the ends, but look at how wide it is once I straighten that out. I'm gonna have to put some stuff in there and get that wide. No, look at that. I'm gonna get some things in there, stuff it with some blankets or something, and let that stretch before I really start using it. Because that is, look at that. That's nice and big, all the way from my thumb to the tip of my finger width. Very roomy. This will probably end up being my new EDC bag. I also can carry my laptop in it, which is thin as a tablet. I have a laptop / tablet type of a deal. So I like it. I can carry all kinds of stuff in there. And then your Molle pouches, I'm not sure if those will go on my bug out bag, my primary bug out bag, or not. Maybe I'll put them on here somewhere. You can put one on one side here, you can put one on the other side here, and really extend the amount of stuff. Actually, I think this is how I'm going to run it. For an everyday carry bag to toss in my trunk and take everywhere I go, this will hold a megaton of gear. I like that. So guys, there's the name. Let's see if I can get that on there real good. Is that focusing? I can't see my camera lens. It's like Funanasun. I'll put the links down below in the video description. So stay tuned. This is just my unboxing and first impressions. I will be using this. I'm going to be replacing my everyday carry bag and give that to Melanie. And I'll be using this one myself for an EDC because it's larger than the one I'm currently carrying. And of course, I'm going to be carrying more stuff on a daily basis. And I carry my EDC bag literally everywhere I go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And follow my tactical, outdoor, and survival videos. And stay tuned for the full, rugged field test of this. It's going to take me a couple weeks because I am taking this hunting. So stay tuned for the full update. It's Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. Talk to you all later.